The editor definition link opens in peek setting lets you control how VS Code handles definition links. Just as a reminder of what definition links are, when you hover over a symbol in VS Code and hold down Control on Windows or Linux or Command on Mac, it actually turns that symbol into a link. If you then click on it, it'll go and navigate to the definition of that symbol. So that is the default behavior in VS Code for definition links. The setting here, though, lets you change this so instead of opening another file, it actually opens a peek view. To demonstrate that, let's just go open the settings and say definition link, and go change the editor definition link opens in peek setting and turn it on. So now when you go back here and do the exact same thing, again hovering over that symbol and holding down Control on Windows or Linux or Command on Mac and then clicking, you'll see that instead of actually opening another file here, it actually just opened a peek view. So we're previewing the other definition here directly in line. When we are done with this, we can go and close this peek view as well, and we are still back in the same file. Try using this option to explore whether having definition links open in peek views or actually opening the file itself works better for your workflow.